See, that's the fuel gauge. And that's the, look at there, that's the tachometer. And that's the speedometer. And that's the oil gauge. And that's the
Hey guys, we are headed down to Florida finally. We had planned to be there a couple of days before now, but we plan our path, but God directs our steps, so we are headed down to Florida. It's Saturday, January the 6th, and we should be there in about 3.5 hours. We've got to sing tonight around 7 o'clock, but that's Central Time, and I had forgot that we actually will, let's see, I think we gain an hour because they're an hour behind us. So, good thing they're not an hour ahead. So anyway, so yeah, we will get there on time, I think, as long as all goes well. So, we'll sing tonight. But we're rolling, and our little puppy, she's found her a spot to be. See if you can see her. I don't know. Oh, there she is. Here's baby. Yep. We are coming up on the Florida state line now. I do believe. Florida state line. We missed the Alabama state line. I was distracted, so just crossed into Florida. Gonna be in Florida for probably a month and a half. Well,
we got to come back to Dothan.
Yeah, that's true. We got to come back up to Dothan in a couple of weeks. Yeah.
You see, that's the fuel gauge. And that's the, look at there, that's the tachometer. And that's the speedometer. And that's the oil gauge. And that's the battery volts gauge. You think you can do it? It's running. You think you can do it?
You gotta get the bungee
Oh,
up.
come on, you gotta keep your hands on the steering wheel.
Training Gracie how to drive.
That's right.
She just wants to lick the steering wheel.
You just rather ride. You wanna ride right here?
So hey, good morning guys. Y'all are getting to see me raw and no makeup on. So there comes Johnny. We just woke up here in Bonifay, Florida, and we are parked at a church, Boondock, last night, and we're gonna be going to this church service this morning, and then we're gonna visit somewhere tonight. So then we'll be headed down to Panama City to put out some flyers for our next concert next weekend. So anyway, it's a little bit cold for Florida, just a little bit. It's like in the 30s, low 30s. So, but anyway, say good morning, Johnny Parsons. So anyway, praise the Lord. Johnny's picking up little surprises and gifts in the floor.
Yeah, a little present from the puppy. Yeah.
She likes to go behind.
Not yet learned to go in the grass real good.
Yeah, she likes to go behind our chairs. So she's a discreet puppy. She likes to hide her poopy. So we're having to train her. If y'all got any tips on that, comment below.